Hi students, good morning to everyone. Now, yesterday in previous class we had completed the topic up to formation of image by a concave mirror. But now today we are going to start ray diagram for the formation of image by a concave mirror. Ray diagram. This is the ray diagram. So let's see here. First, ray diagram. Ray diagram grams for the formation. Ray diagram for the formation of image by a concave mirror. Concave mirror. This is an important topic because in your examination there are 4 cases in your class. So one case is compulsory to come in your examination. So let's see here. Case first. First, all of you draw this diagram very carefully, and you always use scale and pencil for the tracing the diagram. Okay. Let's see the first case. First case is what? When the object when the object is far away. When the object is far away. When the object is far away from the mirror. From the mirror. This is your first case. This is your first case. So we have to write like this. Position of image position of object and position of image, and next here nature of image. Okay. First is what? Position of image is what? Position of image is here. Object is very far away from the mirror. What do you mean by very far? Very far away means the object is at infinite place. Infinite place means बहुत दूर है object. So you have to write here infinite. Infinite. And symbol of infinite is like this. Okay. Position of image. What is the position of image? So first we draw or trace the ray diagram. Then after we write what is the position of image and nature of image. So we have draw a ray diagram. First we draw a mirror, concave mirror. One. This is a polished surface. Okay. Now you have to draw the principal axis. Okay. This is a point pole denoted by P. Okay. Now, when the object is very far away from the mirror, means position of object is infinite, then in that case, the light which is coming from that object is appears to parallel. means like this. Okay, see, and this point is behaves like some plane mirror. So here after reflection it's go like this, and you also always make a mark of a line. Okay, this is a parallel line, and after striking here it goes like this. So at this point the both lines are meeting. At this point the both lines are meeting. So at this point the image is formed, and the image is formed at this point is known as focus. This point is known as focus, capital F. Okay? This is center of curvature. This point is known as focus, and this is the image. This is the image of an object. Okay? Listen, one thing. If the image of object below the, listen carefully, if the image of object is below the principal axis, then in that case what happened? In that case, the nature of image is inverted means image object का उल्टा बनता है. इमेज ऑब्जेक्ट का उल्टा बनता है, मीन्स इन्वर्टेड मीन्स उल्टा. तो इमेज इज इन्वर्टेड. ओके, एंड इमेज इज स्मॉल because the light is coming from the infinite, so image is small as compared to what? As compared to object. And position of image is what? Focus. Let's write here. Position of image is focus. At focus. And nature of image is what? The light, both light actually meets, so image is real. Draw, write here real. And second is inverted, उल्टा है, inverted. And as compared to object, the image is so small. You write here very small. Okay, clear all of you? In your examination, only the position of object is mentioned, and you have to trace this diagram, trace the ray diagram, and write all the position of object, position of image, and nature of image. Okay, clear? So note down this. Okay, this is your case first, and after this we will discuss case second. Okay, now see here, rub it. Case second, again you write case second. What is case second? See here, case second, again you write position of object. Now position of image, and lastly nature of image. Okay, position of object, position of image, and nature of image. Okay, so first, what is the case second? In position of object is position of object is at a greater greater distance greater distance greater distance than C. Then C. C is what? Center of curvature. C means center of curvature. So, or simply you write beyond C. Beyond C means center of curvature से पहले ऑब्जेक्ट रखा जा रहा है. Let's see how. Suppose this is your concave mirror. This is your principal axis. This is point pole. This is point focus, and this is point center of curvature. This is center of curvature. Now beyond C means C के पहले ही ऑब्जेक्ट रखा है. The object is placed before C. So here we have draw object, place a object. This is your object. Now what happened? The ray diagram. In ray diagram first, the object at the tip of this object, the first ray is going like this, which is parallel to the principal axis. And after stacking the mirror, it passes from the what? It passes from the focus. It passes from the focus. And second ray which is going at a pole of a mirror, and after striking the pole of mirror, it goes like this and strike here. So image is formed here. Now, what is the position of image? What is the position of image? This is your object, right here. This is your object, and this is your image. Okay. What is the position of image? Between center of curvature and focus. Between center of curvature and focus. Write down here. Between C and F. Means between center of curvature and focus. This is the position of image. And lastly, we have find nature of image. Light actually emits. Both light are actually emits. So at this place we write what? Real image. And second, the image is inverted. Image ulta bana hai. So second nature is inverted. And image is smaller than object. So right here, image is smaller. Image is smaller than object. Okay. This is the nature of image. Real image, inverted, smaller than object. Clear all of you? So right here, position of object is beyond C. Position of image is between C and F. And nature of image is real image, inverted image, and smaller than object. Clear all of you? Note down this. And if you when you draw a ray diagram, then always mark this arrow, because if you not mark this arrow, then your diagram is wrong, because this arrow indicates the light direction of light. Okay, so you mark this line arrow. Okay, note down this. All of you note this ray diagram in your copy as like is it. Don't use your book. Okay, and in your copy all four cases are there. You have to write or draw all the four cases in your copy. Understood? Okay, let's start third case. What is third case? Again we have placed the position of object. What is the position of object? Now position of object is between F and C. F and C means between focus and center of curvature. The image of position of object is between F and C, between focus and center of curvature. Understood? So then you have to draw it, the ray diagram, or trace the ray diagram. This is focus. This is pole. This is focus. This is center of curvature. Okay. Now, position of object is between F and C means F here and C here. Between F and C means the object is placed between F and C. So you have to place anywhere in between F and C. Suppose we have placed here between F and C. Okay. This is your object. The first ray diagram is what? The first ray is going parallel to the principal axis from the tip of the object like this, and after any ray which is parallel to the principal axis, then after reflection it goes from where? It goes from or through the focus. So you have to draw this. Okay. Now second ray is what? Second ray is going at pole, and after striking the pole it goes like this. It goes like this. So at this place the both light meets. At this place both light meets. See here, at this place both light meets. So here we have drawn what? Here the image is formed, and the image is formed. Here the image is formed, but this is image. So what we have write? When object is between F and C, then image is formed where? Beyond C. C के बाद बना है. So you have write portion of image beyond C. Okay. Now nature of image is what? Nature of image is what? See, simply the light actually meet. So first is real. Second is what? Second is what? The image is inverted because it formed below the principal axis. Inverted. And third is one what? The image is CL. The size of image is greater than object. So image is larger than object. Okay? Image is larger than object. Clear all of you? Okay. Note down this. All of you note down this. Okay. I hope you noted it. So let's discuss. This is third case. This is your third case right here. This is your third case. This is your third case. Now next we have discussed last case. Note down this. Now we have discussed last case. Okay. Last case is very important. Other than three in these three cases. So see very carefully what is the third case, last case. Simply what is in last case means this is fourth case. Case 4. The first, what is the position of object? What is position of object is very near to the mirror. Very near to the mirror. Very near to the mirror means between focus and pole. Between focus and pole. Very near to the mirror means between focus and pole. So let's draw it. First draw it. So this is your concave mirror. This is your point pole. This is your principal axis, and this point is focus, and this is what? Center of curvature. Now your image object is placed very near to the mirror, so object is between focus and pole. So you have to draw here the object. Okay, you draw the place the object here between focus and pole. Again same process. The first ray parallel goes to the principal axis from the tip of the mirror. And after striking or after reflection, it passes from where? It passes from focus. It passes from focus. It passes from focus. This is not straight line, so you have to use scale in your ray diagram. This is okay. This is your ray, and second ray is what? Second ray is goes at pole, and after it goes like this. Okay, so you see that the both ray after reflection goes like this, means they divert. And if they divert, then they never be meet at a point. So we have extended the reflected ray. So first reflected ray is what? This. So you extend like this. Okay, and second reflected ray is this. So you extend like this. So at this place, both the ray meet, but they appears to meet, not actually meet. They appears to meet. So the image is formed here. The image is formed here. So object is here and image is here. Okay? Clear? So right portion of image is behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. The image is where? Behind the mirror. And nature of image is what? Simply see that the image is formed above the principal axis. Above the principal axis. So here image is erect. Means what? Means image आपका सीधा बना है. जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट सीधा है वैसे इमेज भी सीधा है. So this is erect. Erect means सीधा. First is erect. First nature is erect, and the light not actually meet, it appears to meet. So second is image is virtual. Image is virtual. And third is what? Size. Size is greater than what? Object. So you write here what? Bigger than object. Bigger than object. Okay? So these four cases are there, and you must to know all the four cases, and you have to draw all four cases as it is given here, as we draw here in your copies. Okay? All of you draw or trace all the four cases in your copy. Okay? So let's draw it, all of you. Okay? So you have to revise and draw in your copy. Thank you everyone. Okay?